Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and I'm back with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use that coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Marutai variety, and it's a bowl. Think of that. Kagoshima Tonkotsu, kind of, with another word, I can't remember what it is, but let's make it. So, how long is this one? 3 minutes? Yes. So, just drop the noodle block in a pot of hot water. Woo! 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 And then lid that sucker for 3 minutes. Okay, so how's everybody doing? Yeah, wow, I've been so busy lately. This is one of the first times in a long time that I've been under 100 reviews ahead. This will be, what, 4,065? And I think the last one I released was 3,972, something like that. So I'm about to hit 4,000. Got this going on. I've been making bread. Check this out. This is Bulldog Carbo bread. It rose and then it sunk. But I put like salami and 3 mozzarella sticks in it. And yeah, it didn't work out so well, but at least on the looks, on the taste, it tastes great. And it's like full of salami and junk. It's good. But God, what else is going on? Oh yeah, so my wife is working just down the hill here. So every day during the week, I've been going and having lunch with her. Sometimes she has to do a half day on a Saturday, and then she has another day during the week where she does a half day, and we go out walking for that day while the kids are at school. It's really good. Kids are going potty. That's good. Other than that though, it's just been kind of busy. Oh, and the Giants. Giants won the NL West, and now we're going to the division series. And guess who we're playing? The frickin' stinky old Dodgers. We won one and we lost one, so that means tonight we get to like grind our teeth and go, and hopefully that'll work out. Yeah, we better win. But we did the first 2 games in San Francisco, and then the last. the people who are betting on this series are betting that the Giants will win, but it'll take all 5 games. It's like, that sounds about right. That's kind of their style. It's a really foggy morning, a foggy day, and just got Miles on the bus. And next up will be Mimi for the bus. Yeah. Hopefully, all of her woes are done by the time you see this in January. It's still October 11th, 2021 right now. But, oh yeah, for you, it's 2022. That's crazy. How did I get so far ahead? I don't know. But, currently my poor sister's in the hospital. So, if you want to send some retroactive, temporal, mechanical, magical vibes her way, that would be kind. She's had like all this horrible gut pain, and it's like, whoa. So, big hopes that my sister is feeling better soon, you know. Indeed. Alright, Here's this. Stir that puppy in. Stir, 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 stir. Then we've got a liquid sachet. Generally, Marutai stuff is usually among the best out there when it comes to like, God, like especially Tonkotsu, man. They make some just brilliant Tonkotsu. But you don't, at least I don't, generally see it in cups or bowls. Usually see it more in, what do you call them? In straight noodle packs. What do we got going on here? And usually those straight noodles are really, really brilliant. And just doing a fried instant in a bowl just is really odd to see. Let's see if it's any good. I need a black spoon for this. Let's look at that broth. Well, it's not bad. It's definitely not their best. Far from their best. Is it a $5? No. But it's really quite good. I recommend it. If you want a bowl of tonkatsu that I'd never seen before now, that's going to be almost nearly impossible to find in the US, get this one. Alright, well, we're going to slap on this on the butterfly. Let's start. Oh. Yeah, I cut all my Naruto way too thin last time, so it likes to curl up. I'm hoping this one doesn't do that. Too thin. And that's too thick. The way I usually do it, we don't do it that thick, but boy, it certainly is mouth-watering, isn't it? Yes. Yeah. Sometimes I just try to do the Jackson Pollock when it comes to doing that. And maybe a touch of sheech. Some sheech! Sheech me! I think we're good. First review, it feels like in 2 weeks, but I know I did some last week. Oh, come on! Why is this all being a butt lately? It's being a butt. How's that? There you go. Rotate, rotato, rotate. Alright, cool. The next one you'll see will be this Yume noodle with scallion oil. This is Chinese but made for the US market. Should be good, I guess. This will be good. Ponzo Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of whatever. Have a good one. Bye.